This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It runs on A19 Pro Bionic chipset based on TSMC process, and this iOS 26 with liquid glass icing on top of this device. On this side we have Samsung's highest-end flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Comes with powerful Qualcomm 8 Elite chipset and One UI software. Here's the box packaging, no power brick or earphone whatsoever. So as the title says, it's time for a speed test battle to see which device is the fastest and who's got the best performance. So starting things with the boot up test, and again A19 Pro versus Qualcomm 8 Elite, iOS 26 versus One UI 8, and wow, the iPhone is clearly fast in here. So first off, dialer, that is fast in the iPhone. The animations are fast on both. Closing and opening animations are really smooth. Application store, Samsung wins in here. Camera, fast in Samsung. The front facing selfie shooter is quick in Samsung. Settings, and you guys can see we have a hideous pale hole front module in the iPhone, contains Face ID and selfie camera. There's a small center hole punch camera in Samsung which does look better. Both these got 120Hz high resolution anti-reflective display, so highest end specifications we have right there. Now some heavy games like Genshin Impact, and here you will see the real difference. This is an amazing game, got characters with magical powers, and I like this game a lot. So that is clearly fast in the iPhone.
This one will be frozen in time. Dodge this!
Go, go, Berry Bunny!
Freeze!
A reward on the road.
No pain, no gain.
The gaming experience was amazing in both Samsung and iPhone. Both these can play smooth in highest graphics settings. Now Wuthering Waves, a game similar to Genshin Impact, got different story, got amazing magical characters with better controls and moves. You guys can literally absorb the power of enemy in this game. So really great game. So once again, iPhone is faster. PUBG, and this is an amazing game. I still play it a lot with my friends. Got different maps and modes, and the graphics are really great. That once again is fast in iPhone.
This is a simulation game set in a virtual world.
Some internet-based apps like Spotify, fast in Samsung, Instagram, quick in Samsung, Reddit, and Starbucks. Now rendering and exporting using Adobe Rush and Luma Fusion. Here we go. And this is where you will see the real power of their CPU, GPU, and storage. So iPhone is clearly faster, we just cannot deny that. Luma Fusion, here we go. Samsung is super quick. RAM management, test and dialer, application store, Genshin Impact, Wuthering Waves, PUBG,
It is showtime!
Instagram and Reddit. So in some cases like booting up heavy games, opening and closing animations, Adobe Rush, iPhone clearly won. But when opening social media applications and Luma Fusion, Samsung did better. So it's a clear tie guys, and in terms of RAM management they both were great, no refresh whatsoever. That's all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe and peace out.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a camera test comparison between the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. We're gonna test out everything: video quality, ultra-wide shots, stabilization, zoom, and night mode. This video is recorded in 4K at 60 frames per second. The iPhone 17 Pro Max rocks triple 48 megapixel cameras on the back. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is flexing with a 200 megapixel main camera, 2 telephoto lenses, one's a 50 megapixel periscope, the other a 10 megapixel telephoto, and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide. This is the ultra-wide video at 4K 60 frames per second. The iPhone's colors just pop more. They look more natural, while the Samsung sometimes boosts them a little extra. Next up, stabilization test. Both are solid, no doubt, but if you're into smoother, more cinematic vibes, the iPhone edges out the S25 Ultra here. It just feels a bit steadier, especially when walking or panning. Let's do the optical zoom test. So the iPhone 17 Pro Max has a 48 megapixel telephoto with 4 times optical zoom, and the Galaxy's packing a 50 megapixel telephoto with 5 times optical zoom. Here is the optical zoom again, but this time in bad lighting. The iPhone actually keeps things sharper and clearer, while the S25 Ultra gives you a bit more zoom, but sacrifices some detail and color accuracy. The iPhone just looks cleaner here. Moving on to night video, both phones are impressive, no doubt. But if you look closely, the iPhone footage comes out a little brighter, especially in darker spots. Quick autofocus test now. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is locking focus super fast and super accurate. Here is the ultra-wide video of iPhone 17 Pro Max. And this is the ultra-wide video of Galaxy S25 Ultra. And finally, the photo showdown. Daylight, low light, and night mode. We'll put them all side by side so you can decide which one looks better to you. Honestly, it's wild how close these cameras are, but you'll definitely see where each one shines. So that's the full iPhone 17 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy 25 Ultra camera test. Which one would you pick after seeing all this? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I really want to know if you're Team iPhone or Team Galaxy. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this test.